Hello, today we will guide you through how to delete a project in Claude AI. If you want to remove a project you no longer need, this process is quick and straightforward. Just make sure you're deleting the correct project before you confirm, since deleting items like this may not always be easy to reverse. To begin, go to Claude in your web browser. Once the page loads, make sure you're signed into your account so you can access your workspace and save projects. If Claude opens on a new chat or home screen, that's perfectly fine. You're in the right place. Next, look to the upper left area of your screen and click on Projects. This will open the section where your existing projects are listed. If you have several projects, take a moment to scan the names carefully so you can find the one you want to remove. It's a good idea to double-check the title before moving forward, especially if some projects have similar names. After you've found the correct project, move to the right side of that project's row or card and click the three-dot menu. This menu usually contains extra actions related to that specific project. If you don't see it right away, try hovering your cursor over the project area, since some interfaces make these controls more visible when selected. Once the menu opens, click Delete. This is the option that removes the project from your list. In many cases, platforms include a confirmation prompt to help prevent accidental deletion. If you see a confirmation message, read it carefully to make sure you're deleting the intended project and not another one by mistake. After confirming, the project should disappear from your projects list. If it doesn't update immediately, give the page a moment to refresh. You can also reload the page manually to confirm that the deletion was completed successfully. That's all it takes to delete a project in Claude AI. As a final tip, before deleting any project, consider whether it contains information, prompts, or files you may want to reference later. If it does, review it first so you don't lose anything important. Thanks for following along. You now know how to delete a project in Claude AI quickly and safely.